I'm cooking. I'm making my special lady led sauteed Brussels sprouts. I got these from the grocery store because, you know, it's too hot for this right now. But I don't know, maybe in the fall I'll get back to it, and I'll post the recipe for you in the description. This is just one of those, I don't know, they're my favorites. Like, so I just start with a little butter. Maybe a little bit more than that, I don't know. A little butter, I'm gonna let that melt. While that's melting, I like to get my garlic. I'm gonna get that chopped up. I'm gonna put a little bit of red onion. And my favorite, rosemary from out of the backyard. So this is a fresh sprig of rosemary that I cut off a little bit ago. I'm also gonna throw some mushrooms in there. These are some baby bellas. Let me work on this garlic. Maybe just two. The magic starts smelling good. You get these in there. Onion together. And yeah, this is store-bought. I have my heat on medium. While I'm waiting on those to start to caramelize, I'm gonna take my sprigs. I like to cut them with scissors. That's what I'm gonna do. Just cut them in there. And I don't think you can have too much. Maybe you can, but I don't know. Not for me. Olive oil. Before I start working on the Brussels sprouts, I want to get my mushrooms going. Pink salt. And while that's sauteing, I normally would cut all my Brussels sprouts at that point, but because I knew I was doing a video, I kind of went ahead and cut the majority of them. I just cut them in half, so I'm going to finish the rest. They're starting to cook down a little bit better. Okay, so the mushrooms are almost done, not quite, and that's okay, because now I'm gonna go ahead and add my Brussels sprouts. I want them to get this brown, it's not crisp. Or is it? Well, it's a sear, I guess. It's brown sear on this side. That's the goal. Mix them in. Cover it for a little bit. Kind of don't want to, I don't want it to steam, so I kind of don't want it to be completely closed. Maybe towards the end. I'm gonna turn every now and then. Maybe 15 minutes, maybe a little bit more. Alright, so I took the lid back off. I kind of wanted to do more of a sauteing. It's not quite ready. While I'm waiting on those to get ready, I have another special treat to add. Some Italian sausages. Now, that's not an everyday addition, but when you really want to give it a kick, that's what you do. So I'm going to cut these up and get them ready. And I'm just slicing them. I already browned these. Because you don't want them, you want them already done. You don't want them in there trying to cook. Ooh. Yep. Alright, let's see how we doing. Okay, some of them are getting what I want. I've got a lot in here that's starting to get that brown that I want, that sear right there. Okay, so now that it's got that sear, I'm gonna go ahead and add my sausage. So mix those in. Now I'm gonna let the top go all the way on. And it's okay if it steams a little bit. For about, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. All right, I turned the heat off of it and I let it sit for a little bit. It should be about time. Oh, it smells so good. Now we're gonna put them on a plate. It's gonna be time to eat. Make sure you get some sausage. All right, and here's one more little bonus treat. Some nice shredded cheddar. All right, so I just turned these into this. It's still a healthy dish, especially if you go without the cheese. If you go with just a little sausage, it's okay. It's okay. It's still a healthy meal. So this is Lady Led's sauteed Brussels sprouts with mushrooms, sausage, and shredded cheese. It's Lady Led, and I'm out. I'm making my special Lady Led sauteed